Hey guys, welcome to I Like Your Blooms. Today we're going to be talking about how you can add your own easy misting system that you're not hooking up to your hose. You have your own reservoir inside of the greenhouse. You're going to have perfect humidity all summer long on these nice hot days.
You keep me okay when I'm not fine. You take a bad day and make it right. I know. Oh, I never let this feeling go. Oh.
So we do have right here the Reptile Mr. Automatic System, okay? This right here is available on Amazon for $39.99. Free delivery typically. You spend over $35, it's $39, so you're getting it for free delivery, even if you don't have Prime, so that's cool. I got one of these for a terrarium. I love it. And the idea of hooking my hose up to the system in here is not ideal for something I'm trying to do. I want it pretty automatic on a budget. This is a very small greenhouse. We're about 7 by 10, but we need some mist. In the reviews for these, you know, some people's have problems, some people's are great. I'm one of the people who's, so far it has worked beautifully for me on my terrarium. So this thing is beautiful, very small, compact. You got the water in, you got the water out. You take these little guys off. It's powered 5-volt. So you do have to have some sort of power running to your greenhouse. We got the fans running, we got the grow lights. It comes with some zip ties, which is very, very convenient for this. It comes with the tubing. You'll need to run it. So the instructions it comes with, I'm not even going to go through them because I know how to do it now. But it's very simple. Set it for how many seconds you want it to go. You can have it go all the way up to 1 minute, full on misting. We're going to get this set up. So I'm just going to eyeball it. I think this right here, halfway, is going to give me all the way stretched out across my 7 by 10 greenhouse. I'm going to go 7 long ways. I'll show you in a minute when I hook it up. This piece right here is going to be from where it connects into your reservoir and connects into the machine. And it comes with a nifty tool right here to cut your tubing, to get your perfect sizes. Nice tool. It's got a little razor blade on it. Be careful. Keep it away from the kids. It's got a safety. Push these in, and you take that tube and you push it all the way in. Get it good and snug. Good and snug. It's not coming out. So I am going to cap this. This is going to be, so we're going to give it a cut right here. Okay, we're cut. Now, what are we doing? Okay, we're going to go here, from this to there. Seems pretty snug for the most part. Make sure we're pushing those beads in till they click. Alright. Now, we have our in and out. So this is where the water's coming out. So we just pull off the little rubber nipples, and we're going to mount these here in a second. This is the in tube. This is where the water's coming in from, into the machine and out. Okay, now this piece, we'll grab the end of it. We're gonna pop our little percolator on, get it in there. We're good. Good to go. We have our percolator. And don't get all tangled up like I just did. So we're gonna get our system over here. Boom. We're taking this. I have a 4-gallon drinking water container. We're just popping it down in there. It's pretty weighted too, so once it gets started and we get some suction going on, it'll go to the bottom a bit more. Okay, we're down in there. Now, I want this high up, it being able to get wet. We do not want this getting wet. This is our power supply. So I will take one of these zip ties that they come with, which is a beautiful thing, thank you. And I'm going to zip tie. There's that. So, this right here is my first line mister. This is the first one. And I'm going to zip tie it up here facing the back. So, this is what we just did. We dropped the percolator into our water source. We're running over here. This is where we're hanging up. Okay? We have our first, it's gonna spray that way. I'm gonna try to avoid it to hit some of these lights and electrical sources as well. I'm gonna run it on these beams, so I'll keep the tube up out the way. And I'm gonna put it right up here. And like I said, the nozzles on these are very flexible. They move in all sorts of different angles, so you'll be able to position them exactly how you want it. Now we're gonna take our cord. It's about, I don't know, about 3 foot long. And plug it in, and now we have power. You cannot see it the best, but when it turns on, it says 10 seconds, 1 hour. On top of this, we have a power button, which turns it on and off. If you press it, we got to start sucking up the water. We're going to press it a couple times. It's going to do the 10-second runs. You see, watch it go. This is a small pump inside of this machine, so it's going to take a little bit to feed it. This is faint right now. We barely have any pressure in the system. The water hasn't made it to this side yet. It's a smaller pump, and I did set it for 30 seconds. I turned it up, and I have it for 30 seconds, so it's doing a 30-second test. Makes a nice little noise when it's getting started. But so far, we are spraying out of this side. It's 82 in here, 32% humidity. Let's get it pressurized. Maybe I have it too far away or too low. We're getting pressurized. We do have them coming out of both sides. I've ran the system for about 2 minutes so far, and we've already came up 3% in humidity. The biggest problem right there was having this reservoir away from the pump, so keeping it as close to and up if you can will make your pressure a lot better, so we'll get a full-on good mist going on in here. I hope this video helped you out in some sort of type of way, putting it together, hooking it up, the idea for it, whatever. It is not the most powerful system. You're not gonna get crazy mist on a budget. We're not a professionals here. We're not professional greenhouse owners. It's 40 bucks. You just hook it up and leave. That's pretty convenient for me. I'm gonna set it for a minute every hour. But now we have some mist. We have a little bit of something on these really hot days. This is I Like Your Blooms. This is the greenhouse. We've been here 2 years, 3 years on this channel. 415 subscribers, right around there. That's beautiful to me. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Drop a comment if you found it helpful. We'll see you on the next one.
I'm so damn quiet that you know. Oh, oh.